Hi guys, I'm playing I Am Cat. So I know I wasn't joking. And yeah, I got 200 pounds. My dad bought it. I had like 200 pounds, I earned it. And my dad put in 9 extra pounds. So guys, I was lying, I actually lived. And this is like 16 pounds. I Am Cat. And I already done the tutorial, so let's move on. And guys, you can do like what tricks, because I know how to do hacks. Like, you know, like you press this button, how's it called? Like it looks like a infinity. Not gonna lie. And yell. Okay, what if we try to do like I'll go there later. But let's try to glitch in here, so. What the guys, did you just see? Did you just see that? Did you just see that? Anyway, bro, what the? It just moved. I'm going. Even though it needed a key, I can still go. Don't worry in the background. This is not a secret room. This is not a secret room. I mean, I can't see this. Anyway, items are available. All locations. Okay. Anyway, Granny's house. Push the button. Press the button. Pound, 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 pound. Anyway, let's go in Granny's house. They always land on their feet. Not on the feet. Ah, landed. I'm so small. I have an Apple Watch too. I don't know how to do the melody. The cat. What? I don't know how to do like that. The music and thingy. So can you please help me, guys? That one. Hunter. I don't know. It's so not that. To the highest point. I already did, right? So that means I need to do it again. You know, like, you know, that YouTuber I always watch? It's named Sparky, but now I name it Sparkle. Come on. Yeah, that's what you get. Like, how do you see, like, yourself, like, you know, yourself? Like, you, like, buy some items. And I don't know where is it. I'm trying to find it, but can't. Anyway. What did I just? Oh, the highest point. I remember. And cats don't actually have Apple Watches. Pew, 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 pew. Okay. Is that because like I go like mobile I Am Cat and there's so much ads. Can't really do anything. It's not like the same. Get away. It's not the same thing. To be careful. Okay. It's like right here. No. No. Okay, good. Cause that was like so kind of hard. Kind of, not really. Yay. The base shop, like, how'd you like get the like stuff like the key card? Please tell me, guys, or something. Hey, go window. I'm gonna use my strong parts. Okay, I'm not strong, bro. Okay, anyway. Always land on their feet, and I'm gonna kill Granny. Yeah. Gonna slap your bum. If I go inside here, I thought I could go inside. They're like somewhere there said. Anyway. I can go up and like fly with Granny. Like some people said. Bro, not like. Bro, look at her. No. Okay, guys. Okay. I'm still recording, I know that. Bro, I'm just. Scratched on her face. Okay, anyway, it doesn't matter because I will just use the joystick because I froze. scratch your face. Wait, actually, let me try to do your beauty. So this is gonna be your blush. Anyway, slap. I need to get like that shaving. Like, how do you turn it on? Because like I've done it once. Anyway, yeah, that's what you get, Granny. For real. She can't go upstairs, so yeah. And I done all the tutorials, so I'm so sorry if I didn't show you because I really like this game. I was gonna play right now because like my cousin was here annoying me. Anyway, what is this? Yeah, just strong power or his words. What the? Anyway, the green part, I always go here. And then I'm like, no! I'm like, just a cat. Some people can't do this. I'm like, cats can't do this. But they can climb, but not like me. Well, let me just move a little bit. Okay. Okay. Did I get it? Oh my. Are you serious? See? Let me see what time is it. I'm joking. What'd you put in there? Use AB. Bruh. Oh my goodness, why did I not keep going?